put the phone down. You don't have to order in to get that classic takeout flavor, because tonight we're taking the healthier route and making this shrimp fried rice at home in less than 30 minutes. And in case you didn't already know, I'm Len in Brazil and you are watching Evolving Table. We make healthier spins on classic recipes. Yep, even those delicious Chinese food favorites. So let's jump straight in and get to cooking. The first thing you'll want to do is make sure you've cooked your rice in advance. While you can make it the day of cooking the fried rice, the texture of the grains gets much crispier if you fry up day-old rice. For this recipe, you'll need 5 cups of cooked rice, or a little less than 2 cups of dry rice. You can use either all white rice, all brown rice, or a mix of both. Jasmine and basmati rice are also great options. Just make sure you're using long grain rice and not medium or short grain. Next, you'll want to prep all of your vegetables. Peel and finely dice 2 medium-sized carrots. Finely dice a green bell pepper until you get 1 cup. And finely dice 1 cup of sweet onion. You can always bump these amounts up if you want even more nutrition in your dish. Add 2 tablespoons of a high smoke point oil, such as avocado oil, to a large wok or skillet over medium heat. As you'll see, I'm using a non-stick ceramic wok today. These are the easiest to use because your rice and your eggs aren't going to get all stuck to the bottom of the wok while you're cooking. However, you can always use a stainless steel skillet, but you'll just have to make sure you scrape the bottom of it really well while you're cooking. Once the oil is hot, add in the carrots, bell pepper, and onion, and saute for 3 to 5 minutes, or until they start to become tender. Add in 2 cloves of finely minced garlic, and continue sauteing for another 30 seconds, or until fragrant. Crack 4 eggs into a medium-sized bowl. And whisk until well mixed. Push the vegetables to the side. And then add in 1 tablespoon of oil to the spot you have cleared. Pour in the whisked eggs along with half a teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Scramble the eggs in that spot for 2 to 3 minutes, or until they're cooked through. Move the eggs to the side of the skillet or wok, and add an additional tablespoon of oil. Place 3/4 pound of a 100 to 200 count per pound shrimp in a single layer. If you can't find shrimp this size at your grocery store, you can always buy larger shrimp and then cut them into smaller pieces. Saute the shrimp for 1 to 2 minutes or until they are cooked through. Mix together the shrimp, vegetables, and eggs, and then add in the 5 cups of cooked rice. Pour in 1/3 cup of soy sauce or a gluten-free tamari sauce, 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 2 teaspoons of toasted sesame oil, and half a teaspoon of salt to taste. Mix everything together and cook over medium heat for 10 minutes, stirring occasionally. During the last 4 minutes of cooking, pour in half a cup of frozen peas that have been thawed. Mix everything together. If you like extra crispy fried rice, let it sit over medium to medium-high heat for a full minute before mixing again. And remember, if you're using stainless steel, rice likes to stick to the bottom of the pan, so be sure to scrape all of the crispy goodness off of it. Serve the fried rice immediately with a sprinkle of finely chopped green onions. Oh yeah. Yep, just as good as takeout, and it was ready in about the same amount of time. But if you want a few more healthy makeover ideas, be sure to check out these other restaurant copycat recipes. Thanks so much for hanging out. I'll see you in the next one.